और फिलहाल वक्त है ब्रेक का। ब्रेक के बाद फौरन लौटते हैं। देखते रहिए हमारी खास पेशकश गव2 इन्फोरम। ब्रेक के बाद आपका स्वागत है। सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स दुनिया भर में बदलाव का माध्यम बन रही हैं। ये नेटवर्किंग साइट्स न सिर्फ आम जनता और सरकार के बीच की दूरी को कम करने का काम कर रही हैं, बल्कि यहाँ लोग सामाजिक मुद्दों को बढ़ चढ़कर उठा रहे हैं। वहीं सरकारी महकमे भी जनता से जुड़ने के लिए खुद को दुरुस्त कर रहे हैं। आइए देखते हैं कि सरकारी नुमाइंदों और इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े लोगों की गव2 इन्फोरम पर क्या राय है।
Well, as a practitioner who has just used it in the recent census of India, I would say it is a good beginning, but we have to learn a lot. We have to learn how to use the medium and also react to the medium. Our experience has been a mixed one, whereas we did get the satisfaction of replying and acting on many of the suggestions which were made, complaints which were received by us.
We have been on Facebook for last about a year, and might be like when we started, might be it was a small beginning, but now I think it has become huge. More than 50,000 people are on board. There was no forum till now like where they could complain. Now what they do is they take a photograph or videograph, post it on our website, and we take action and we tell them okay, action has been taken, so they feel empowered.
See, social networking platforms give us an important channel to communicate with the citizens directly. You know, there could be people who don't have time to come to our offices, to write to us. But here, while traveling in a car, while just sitting in their own homes, they can communicate with us. And our challenge is that we must respond, and respond in a manner that we don't lose the citizens' interest. So I think a whole horizon has been opened now, and in times to come, networking channels, social networking channels will become an important means of government communicating to citizens, and all organizations will do well to take advantage of it.
I think this forum is very important, primarily because social media is purely becoming center stage, and it's time that we should try to understand how can government engage more proactively in social media. Unfortunately today, at the time when we are talking, Government of India does not have a national social media policy. There are no clarity of guidelines as to what should people do when they go on social media, especially government servants. Similarly, from the perspective of people per se, there's not much clarity. The accounts of people that they are seeing on social media from government, are they authentic? Are they personal? Are they official? How legitimate they are, and what kind of authenticity of the words or information coming there from can be attached there to. So I think all these issues are very critical. This is a good forum. That's at least we've begun discussing about these issues.
I think it's an unbelievable way to bring more citizen engagement into the government and government policy, and how the country can provide better services to citizens. And I think it makes it much more of a two-way dialogue as opposed to a one-way dialogue, much more real-time, much more active in terms of what can happen and the speed that it can happen. And so I think it's and then the number of ideas that I think will come from people we can't even imagine at this point.
The interesting thing is the similarities between Scotland and India. We're actually facing exactly the same problems in terms of how to make sure that broadband exists in as many parts of our country as we can, that there is a high level of digital participation.
I think the wonderful platform we've created is the Azure platform, which is really the cloud platform that we have created, where people can create applications, leverage that platform to deliver those applications on scale. So I think once you have a connectivity in place, you can leverage Azure, create your platforms, create your applications, and host them on Azure, and scale as much as you can.
I am delighted by the level of engagement of all the GovCamps that I have attended, such as this. I have never seen such vibrant energy in terms not only from the audience, but especially from the government officials who basically are signaling that they are willing to embrace change, that India has arrived, that they want a seat at the world stage, and that the new measures on social media and the projects that they are undertaking are going to be critical for that.
हमारी खास पेशकश कब टू इन फोरम में फिलहाल इतना ही। देखते रहिए जी बिजनेस, आपका फायदा। नमस्कार।